So, hello everyone. This is 18th of January, I think. Yeah, I was not able to upload for a very long time. I would say I think this was one of the longest break that I had on YouTube since I had started like daily posting. And I have things that were going on, and I was not able to be consistent. But I think it happens in everybody's life, like somehow you just spiral out of your consistent routine, and you just like, I mean, it just happens. And I think it's important for us to know that you can always start again, and you can always bounce back harder. I mean, this break really taught me. I mean, this break really taught me, like, yeah, like this. I would say, I was like very. There was a sudden. There, I would say, there was a sudden feeling of regret that I was not able to record. But I think I have gotten a lot calmer with the way I talk, and how I express myself in due to this break. Because I will say that when I was recording this when I was recording these videos consistently, the thing that I was like really was not really proud of, that was the ability to I mean, like, I was talking a lot faster, and I was not clearer, and my message that I want to send to you all was not actually I was not able to present it to you. But I think this break really taught me, and I think, yeah, I think this was, I think I would say, kind of nice. And let's see. I think since I have came back from a long break, so I am thinking of um, doing something bigger this time. And I think, like, small steps are actually needed, but I think I have a plan, and I'm going to execute it. And yeah, I mean, today's Sunday, and I think it's been 2 weeks exactly, and this is the third Sunday of the year. And the third Sunday, nahi, I think the 1st of January was a holiday due to some reason. But yeah, and yeah, I think this time I was not able to choose a good background. I would say the last background was very good, and I think the timing is also, the sun is setting, and as you can see, my brightness is also going down. But I mean, yeah, and yeah, I think this, I have nothing else. I think um I will talk about something that's going in my life. I think I am trying to learn editing right now, and I think it's really hard for me to actually cope up with, because nowadays, like, it's been really tough to actually able to uh, like, edit, because the competition is very high. And I think the viewers attention is very important. And I think, but yeah, I think I will learn it, because it will eventually, it's a skill that will eventually help me down the road, and make me do things better and feel good about myself. That is also true. And yeah, but I think you can't see the blue sky right now, right? I mean, the sky is really blue. I think I want to show you, but I think I can't. uh, अरे यार रुको, let me readjust this. uh, I think this is much better than what it was before. And yeah, I think I'm loving the vibes that I'm, like, I think I like spending time alone, because um, I think it just leads me with my own thoughts, and how I decide on certain things. And yeah, I came here, and I like sat for like 20 minutes with myself, and then I started recording. So I know what I have done. I have what information I can tell, and it just helped me like sort my brain, so that I can I just want to know what's in my brain. That's one thing. And अभी I think इसके बाद अभी मेरे जाने में मेरा फटने वाला है, because I think मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट का जो वेदर है, बिकॉज इट्स यहाँ बहुत ठंड होती है. आई एम लाइक ठंड, आई विल से इट्स नॉट स्नो, देयर इज नॉट स्नो हियर, बट जो ठंड रहती है ना, प्लस अभी आई थिंक मेरे होम टाउन में इट्स लाइक कि यू हैव, आई वुड से, only winter, winter and rainy season, and the summer season is not that not that, I would say, um, not that hot. I think barely 1 month का इंटेंस हीट रहता है, उसके बाद तो सब नॉर्मल हो जाता है. एंड इट्स नाइस टू बी हियर. आई थिंक आई वुड रादर चूज कोल्ड ओवर लाइक तड़पती धूप एंड तड़पती गर्मी, बिकॉज आई think cold is much easier to deal with rather than that. And yeah, and and I think this is it for today's video, and I hope you like it. And I'm seeing a lot of fan today, but I think it definitely helped me. This video things helped me like rethink about a lot of things, because I think nowadays, when I was recording this like continuously, then I was able to have a count that this many days has passed. But now that I have taken like 15 to 18 days, I have not posted, then it feels like in few seconds the time has passed. And I think now, like in 12 days, the January is going to get over, and in 11 months there is going to be a new year. But I think it's important for everyone to know that I think time really fast really tests you, and it passes very quickly. And you have to realize that you have to wake up early, and wake up you have to have the realization that you don't have that much time right now. And I think I'm going to show you my sunset that I'm viewing actually, because why not? Oh, it's just too blah. Oh no, 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 no. I think this second still it's too. I think it's still, like, I would say it's still dark for you all because you can't really see it. But it feels unreal watching it. I mean, yeah. I think this is much better than doing that, I guess. Yeah. So thank you everyone for watching. I think I'm going to end this video right now. And yeah, the sun is setting, and I'm really grateful for everything that I have. And yeah, life is just good, and I hope I achieve a lot of things in life. And yeah, I want to be free. And uh, this this place is, yeah. Thank you.